I want to welcome everyone back to another episode of Generation Investors Podcast. And if you've been rolling with me since day one, hit that thumbs up, hit that like, hit that subscribe. And for those who are new to this podcast, I am Coach Flo. And today, what can you say about the market? What can you say? What's going on with this war? I'm going to dive in with you briefly on these stocks, ETFs that I'm buying because it's been dipping because of the war. And want to leave you with some gems and some inspiration, okay, some motivation that you can apply to your life today, because we all need motivation. So stay tuned towards the end, and we're going to get things started with SPMO. SPMO got the momentum. That's my momentum play that I will continue to add to my portfolio. And I'm just buying $10 a week. Okay, $10 a week. Remember, this is not financial advice. This is financial education. You got to do your own due diligence and do your homework. But SPMO is that momentum play for those who are looking to get into investing. I'm talking all my beginner investors. Shout out to you. SPMO is the play to go. Okay, it's a place to go, and I'm excited for the momentum, okay, of this particular ETF, because it takes out individual stocks that's not performing well and add the ones that are doing well and continue to move this ETF up. And that's why long term, this one right here, it's gonna get knocked out the park. And I want you to get into this play. And like I said, you got to do your own due diligence, okay? But this one has a lot of potential to really do well long term. And you just got to look at what's in this play. You got the Nvidias, you got the Apple, you got a variety of individual stocks that is making SPMO go. That's right. And so moving on to VUG, that's my growth play, okay? This one right here, heavy tech, which I'm heavy in, and that's why I want to continue to add more to this particular play, because I have individual stocks for one portfolio and I have my ETFs, and VUG has a stock split. That's right. So when I say stock split, at the current price, slice these particular plays, slice a particular ETF in different chunks, and it allows retail investors like you and I to get this at a good, reasonable play. And last time I checked, about 2 weeks from now, we're going to see a stock split, and it's going to be roughly between $75 to $80. And that is more doable for an everyday working class individual like you and I. And so VUG, you want to keep that on your watch list and add that to your portfolio. And like I said, if you like stocks that's in tech like Tesla, Amazon, Meta, Google, Apple, VUG is the play to add to your portfolio. And speaking of Nvidia, shout out to Nvidia. I am looking and I am rubbing my hands like Birdman, because Nvidia is a discount right now. It's been dipping. I'm talking about dipping for us to add to our portfolio, get in our bag and get this one, because long term, looking for this one to go to, the analysts are saying $325. And that's just a short, small sample size. And so want to head to Meta. Definitely Meta has been dipping as well, because they got this lawsuit that's going out. It's called a social media. They are saying like a social media case that's going against Meta, but I ain't tripping, because long term they are price targeting this thing $820 to $1,000. So at this current price we talking about, this is a steal, because it's gonna run up. Long term, it's going to run up, and I want you to be a part of the movement where we going to let our money make money for us. Okay, so if you know like I know, let me know in the comments, are you buying the dips? Because they are dipping, because what's going on with the war, the Iran and USA war, the longer it rages on, we can get these assets at a discount. And so just speaking of that briefly, is it about oil? Because it's bigger than that. I believe they are looking to put fear. They kind of put fear in the everyday individual. They really want you to sell. They want you to sell. That's what they want you to do. But like, if you smart like me, we ain't doing that, okay? We riding the wave, rinse and repeat, getting dips, and being strategic. So I want to leave you with shout out to Generational Investors Shop for the one-stop shop. That's right. I'm going to leave a description below. I'll put it in the pinned comment as well. The one-stop shop for all ages. We're talking about guides, games, workshops, workbooks, saving tips, and journals. And I'm going to add more to this shop because for those who are looking to invest in themselves, invest in education, this is the place for you. This podcast is the place for you as well. Hit that thumbs, hit that like, hit that subscribe. And the workshop, the Generational Investors Shop is for you, for all ages. Don't matter the race, don't matter the gender. If you're looking to better your situation, definitely check out that shop. And I want to leave you with happy early Easter. If you're looking at this right now, got a big weekend, one of the biggest weekends across the world. Easter, yes, John 16:33. God, power is bigger. I mean, he said, take heart. He said, take heart because he have overcome the world and he loves you. Like he loves me, he loves you. Whatever you have been through, God's love, God's power is bigger than any debt you face, any disease, any disorder, any addiction, okay? Whatever shortcomings, whatever heartbroken, God's power is bigger than that. And he has a plan bigger than you could even imagine. And I want you to really tap in to what he has for you because he has more in store. You just have to go and really dive in and do your own journey with him because he has love for you. Okay, he has a plan for you and he just wants you to spend time and develop a relationship. And I want to leave you with education is key to wealth. Yes, I teach my students, why is education important? Because it's the key to advancement. It's the key to opportunities. It's the key to breakthroughs and breakouts. So if you are tired of that 9 to 5, if you are tired of working 2 and 3 jobs, now's the time to get that multiple streams of income. Create, generate, and earn. That's right. I want to say it again. Create, generate, and earn. And lo and behold, you too can leave your job. You too can start having vacations. You too can get out of debt. You too can become that next millionaire or billionaire and just have that financial freedom that we all are working towards. So if this episode inspires you, this episode motivates you, hit that thumbs up, hit that like, hit that subscribe because God has a plan. God has a plan. I know you say, Coach Flo, what plan he has for me? That is for you to discover, but just know that it's bigger than what you really can imagine. You say, Coach, you say, God, I want you to pay off this, or I want you to help my family with this. And God's saying, you know what? I got something even bigger than that. I can take you places that you can't even imagine. So that's the kind of God that we serve. And hopefully, I pray that all is well with you, your family, your friends. And if you stay tuned and if you have enjoyed this episode, like I said, don't let no one tell you what you can or can't do because they have it through who? You. I see you.
Financial freedom, yeah, that's the goal. Invest your time, invest your soul. Save it, stack it, watch it grow. Generational wealth, Coach Flo. Financial freedom, let's get control. Build it now so it overflows.